Hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Cisco off-campus drive 2022. So they're hiring for the technical consulting engineer and it's for the freshers or the fresh graduates. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding various off-campus drives. And also recently we uploaded video related to the American Express off-campus drive. So it is also for the freshers and for the experienced candidates having experience of 0 to 4 years of experience. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video to the American off-campus drive. So the location is especially for the Gurgaon and the Bengaluru. You can apply for the off-campus. So this is for the Bengaluru location, and the technology interest they have not mentioned here which technology you will be working. And areas of interest is the customer experience, and this is the job ID or the position ID. So if you are approaching to any employee, Cisco employee, you can ask them to refer you for this specific job ID so that you can get the reference. This is the early career. As we discussed earlier, only the freshers or the fresh graduates are eligible for this off campus. So now let's discuss about the roles and responsibilities. So basically here the recent graduate or you are in the final year students towards a bachelor degree in the technical field such as networking, computer science, information technology, IT, electrical or the computer engineering or any other similar technical field. And it is only for the 2023 pass out. That means other year pass out or the batch candidates like 2021 or 2022 are not eligible, unfortunately. And you must be having fluency in English, both the verbal and written, and you must be passionate about the networking or the information technology or the computer science things or the stuffs. And and also you must be having strong analytical or the problem solving skill with ability to troubleshoot any technical problem and ability to do the become the multitasking on, and you must work in the first page team environment and the ability to work independently, right? These are the things needed for this specific profile. So if you are interested, you can apply for this off campus by simply clicking on the apply now button here. So then it will redirect you to the career page here. So there are two things. If you are a returning user, that means if you have already created your account in the Cisco career page, then you will be the returning user. You can provide your email address and password. Otherwise you can provide if you are new user, then you can provide your email address to register. So suppose I am providing my email address here, helpful techniques @gmail.com. then I'll be able to register here in this page. So I need to provide a few of the things, like I need to upload here my resume, then it will automatically fetch the data for me. And also there is an option to sign in with LinkedIn, but I would suggest you to upload your file here. That means upload your resume here. Then application information you need to provide once you have uploaded your resume, that means your qualification, background and all, and the self identification and final submission. So these are the 4 steps you need to follow. Once you have submitted your profile, then you will get the confirmation. Then you will be receiving the test invitation if your profile gets shortlisted. Once you complete the written test and your profile gets shortlisted for the further round, then there will be a technical round followed by the managerial round, right? So these are the process. And I just wanted to I forgot to tell you one thing. So the salary basically you will be getting somewhere between 14 to 16 LPA for this specific profile if you are joining as a full-time employee. And for intensive it is different, but for the full-time employment it is somewhere between 13.5 to 16 LPA for this specific profile. So I hope it is clear right now how to apply for this off campus and what is the eligibility criteria. I'll be sharing this link in the description of this video. You can apply by clicking on that link. And if you face any difficulties or that issues while applying for this specific profile, then you can let us know in the comment section below. I'll try to help you. So thank you for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next video.